Yo, what's up guys? Let's make a quick review, VidFi and QMall exchange. So, if you're a QMall users, you can decide now if you want to change your platform, because I'm here to tell you about VidFi. Okay, VidFi offers a lot of different products, since QMall.io only offers spot trading. So here on QMall.io you can only do spot trading, like buy and sell your Ethereum, Bitcoin. So also there is no USDT pair, so ETH-BTC pair, you can do trading like BTC USDT. There's only a BTC pair for all, and there is a few. I see here, but like I said, you can only do spot trading here again. And here on VidFi you can only do spot trading. They also have a classic mode, advanced mode, and convert with one click. And also they offer USDTM, perpetual contract, and CoinM, and leverage tokens. So here on QMall they only offer spot trading. There is no futures trading here. Okay, let's check the other product. So here on finance they all have launch fund, QBucks, promo codes, trading derby. And for VidFi we have the welcome rewards for new users, so that's kinda sad for QMall.io users. I recommend guys to switch to VidFi, if you want to have a better experience in futures trading. I would recommend vidfi.com. I will also put my registration link and VidFi website, also the VidFi Filipino community and English as well. Okay, and also guys, if you want to have a partnership on VidFi, if you're a trader with large community, you can now switch from QMall.io to VidFi. So here's if you want to join the VidFi affiliate program and monetize your influence without limits. So VidFi's offer up to 50% of commissions, and one-on-one assistance, and real-time settlement of commissions, which means if your referral trades and open a position right on time, you can get the trading commission rebate. Okay, and multi-dimensional reports. As you can see, number of affiliate of VidFi is 16,000 plus affiliates, and the total commission paid out in USDT was 50 million plus. And also VidFi support 150 plus country. So also if you are already partner on VidFi, VidFi promote your social media, in the same time. That's a free promotion for you and VidFi, so it's a win-win situation, because promotion of your channel and community accounts on VidFi official page. all of your social media account will be posted on BidFi official pages, and also your community will get a community airdrop. Provide popular coins airdrop to help Apple partners to attract more signups, to help sustain your community. And number 3 is more exclusive benefits. So you can access to offline meetups, branded gifts like merch, and exclusive trading contest for your community. Okay, so if you want guys to become a affiliate or partner here on BidFi, just click become a partner. So let's check about the Qmall. The good thing and Qmall.io that they have this Ukraine help, so meron sila ditong Ukraine. And also guys, let's go back again to spot trading and let's check the category of BidFi spot trading. They have the meme coins, metaverse, and web3, GameFi, layer 2, Hong Kong concept, DeFi, storage, Gray, Polkadot, Fan token, NFT, BSC, proof of work, and assessment. So as you can see, you can choose what tokens you want to buy here on BidFi. I'm sure your token is already here, like for example layer 2. So these pairs are all layer 2, so kung gusto mo silang bilhin, nandito yan sa BidFi. Okay, so once again, this is a short review. I'm calling all the Qmall.io user to migrate and try the best experience on trading using BidFi platform. So that's it guys, thank you for today's video. I hope I can see you guys on BidFi community. And also, if you want to join on the best special program on BidFi, which is the BidFi Army, you can check the BidFi Army here, and you will get directed to their Telegram on board group. So that it's guys, I hope you like this video, and please share this video to your friends, family, or on your social media accounts. That's it. Thank you and good morning, good night, and happy trading to you all.